Lolo Clark. Club Soccer Terranure Rangers in Malia Clea.
When she was born, she was fine, and after 7 months she got meningitis.
And the doctors were investigating to find out what happened, and they noticed that I had a slight hearing loss.
She could hear a bit in the hospital, but when it deteriorated then after.
For me, it's completely normal from 7 months old to be completely deaf.
It's a bad thing to happen, but it's not the worst, you know, and we just said we have to make the most of it, and that's what we did. Now, she did get frustrated about 12, 13, but it was a phase. She got over it.
Yeah, communicating with my mum, I suppose we just talk. We might use basic sign language or finger spelling. And with my kids as well, my first kid can sign, and my second one is obviously still learning. She's a bit young, so she gets bored easily.
No, she definitely does not let her deafness hold her back from anything. I don't think there's anything that I've had to stop and think that, oh, I can't ask her to join me in this, or I can't be talking to her about this.
She's determined, and she won't let anything stop her. Like, she loves a challenge. Yeah, she just loves a challenge, yeah, and she's very strong-minded. And she's a good team spirit as well.
I was born.
Like, from 7 months old, I didn't know what it meant to hear anything. So I'd watch football matches and I'd say, gosh, I love watching people play football, and I'd join in. So from the start, like, I would just, obviously didn't want to like make friends, I wanted to play. So I just came to play with people.
Jairig le Lolo áit bhainteach Iran futsal na Héireann.
I think I was maybe 16 when I played for Ireland in futsal, and I didn't realise in futsal and football they're different. In futsal it's five-a-side, and I suppose that's how I got really serious about futsal and football at the same time. My dad was the first person to bring me to my first game and to all my games, so I've really been inspired by that. And since my dad passed away in 2021, my little girl Harley was only 6 weeks old, and since he passed away, it's just given me more motivation and more inspiration to get back into football. And I really, as soon as he passed, I got back into football straight away.
I would encourage any deaf person to join football, and don't think because you're deaf you can't do it, because you can.
Forget about what maybe other hearing people have told you. You can do the exact same as them. It's just a hearing loss. That's all. Like, you can do anything. If I can do it, then you can do it. Yes, this is my time to shine. I'm not getting any younger. I want to take this chance and really want to get to the furthest part I can get.
Her dad will be very proud of her now. It's just so sad that he's not here with me, but she did him proud, and she did me proud.
Yeah, I want my father to see me here and be like, oh, there's my daughter. She's still playing, still doing what she loves. This is for my dad.
Underdogs, a go forward le Airgrid.